Yeah, but check it out and let me know what you think. So just a little of the second floor of this house. It does look beautiful, but I showed up at the wrong time. There's a meeting going on. Wow, this is something. This house is something like 3,500 square feet. Fantastic, wow. This closet is a bedroom in itself, and not a small bedroom either. It's a big room. Wow. Beautiful. Wonderful house. Another huge bedroom. I don't know if this is the same house that they had in Winter Garden at, what was it, Ovation? Encore at Ovation. But it does look similar. I haven't been in that model in quite some time. I think it's been like 2 years or so. I do a video of it, but this does look great. Just amazing. A lot of upgrades in here, that's for sure.